welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sherry. For today's video, I will be installing this unit that I purchased from Kenny Braided Wigs, which is this unit right here. So if you guys want to see how the install turns out, stay tuned.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again.
Hey guys, so I went ahead and did the ball cotton method off camera, and now I'm just gonna go in with some foundation and just put that over the cap.
Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, I'm fading quicker. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, I'm fading with dawn. That's what you got me thinking lately. You're not the one, no, no. You're not
this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I purchased this unit from Kenny Braided Wigs. I got this while it was on sale. I purchased it for about $210, but right now on his website this unit is running for about $530. The name of this unit is the Cassie Knotless Box Braided Wig. The cap size of this unit, it's a medium cap size, and for me, I got this unit in 30 inches. It also took me about 3 weeks before I got my unit, and it was purchased before he has a website, but now he has a website now, so I had to inbox him to make this purchase. Also, on his website it says like right now the units are in high demand, so it might take you about 4 to 5 weeks before you get your unit. I am so loving this unit, so let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the middle part. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll make sure to leave all the information for this unit down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.